Welcome! In this video, we will explore the king of spices, the science of black pepper. Black pepper is the dried, unripe fruit known as a drupe from the flowering vine Piper nigrum. Native to southwest India, this perennial vine thrives in tropical regions around the world. It begins as a green drupe, which is cooked and dried, shrinking into a wrinkled black sphere. It has a sharp, pungent, and earthy flavor with woody, piney notes and a distinct, lingering heat. Its power comes from piperine, an alkaloid that gives pepper its pungent taste and bioenhancing abilities. Piperine significantly enhances the absorption of many nutrients, a quality known as bioenhancement. Most people can benefit, especially those looking to maximize absorption from food and supplements. In large quantities, it may cause gastrointestinal discomfort or a burning sensation for some individuals. Those with gastroesophageal reflux disease may find that pepper can trigger or worsen their symptoms. There is no set serving size, but typical amounts, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon per day, are safe. Add pepper towards the end of or after cooking to preserve its volatile oils, flavor, and piperine content. Add it to virtually any dish. It elevates eggs, salads, meats, vegetables, and even some fruits. Steak au poivre, cacio e pepe pasta, and lemon pepper chicken all showcase its bold flavor. For the best quality and potency, purchase peppercorns from spice shops or grocery stores. From ancient trade to modern kitchens, black pepper is a simple tool for health and flavor.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.